Welcome back, gamers! Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance gaming laptops with the Acer Nitro 5 AN515-58-57Y8. This powerhouse of a machine is packed with features that will take your gaming experience to the next level. I'm your host from Product Critique, and in this video, we'll explore why the Acer Nitro 5 is the best gaming laptop with 16GB RAM available in the market. Let's kick things off by talking about performance. The Acer Nitro 5 is equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, providing you with immersive and competitive performance for all your games. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU, powered by award-winning architecture. This laptop delivers unrivaled gaming performance with new ray tracing cores and tensor cores. But what good is performance without stunning visuals? The Nitro 5 features a 15.6 Full HD IPS display with a lightning-quick 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring your game sessions are fluid, unbroken, and unmatched. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in intense multiplayer battles, every detail will pop off the screen with clarity and precision. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. With 16GB of DDR4 3200MHz memory and a blazing fast 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, you'll experience lightning-fast load times and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating content, this laptop can handle it all with ease. But wait, there's more. The Nitro 5 comes equipped with killer Ethernet E2600 and killer Wi-Fi 6 AX1650, giving you the edge online by prioritizing your gameplay and ensuring smooth, lag-free connectivity. And with a variety of ports, including USB Type-C, HDMI, and more, you'll have all the connections you need for your favorite peripherals. And let's not forget about design. The Nitro 5 features a newly refined chassis with dual fan cooling, dual intakes, and a quad exhaust port design, keeping your system cool and running at optimal performance even during the most intense gaming sessions. In summary, the Acer Nitro 5 AN515-58-57Y8 is the ultimate gaming laptop with 16GB of RAM. With its powerful performance, stunning visuals, and innovative features, it's the perfect companion for gamers who demand the best. So if you're ready to take your gaming experience to the next level, look no further than the Acer Nitro 5. That wraps up our review of the Acer Nitro 5. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and gaming content. Until next time, happy gaming!